Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video we shall have a look at the features of an Apple Watch. This video is going to help you decide whether to buy an Apple Watch or not. First things first, health is the most important thing. So let's begin with that. So I'm going to turn on the Apple Watch. I'll turn on a bedtime mode. As you can see, this is the interface of my Apple Watch. So this is a customized wallpaper. You can customize your Apple Watch's wallpaper anytime you want to do. So before we go into the details of the health perspective, so let me just show you the watchOS version on this Apple Watch. Lots of apps, should find settings. Yeah, found it. Under settings, go to general and then about. So this is currently on 9.5.2. Okay. So let's go ahead and check this out. You can track your heart rate. So I'll show you my previous readings when I was walking, when I was resting. Now we'll see the current heart rate. Just give it a moment and it should be syncing. Okay, should close the app and go again to refresh it. As of now, I'm sitting on a chair in my studio. So this is the current heart rate it's showing me. But however, this is not completely accurate and it cannot be a substitute for the original device. And then the next thing I want to show you is the ECG app. So wait for the animation to stop and then hold the finger, index finger, very lightly, barely touching the surface of the crown. Do not move as much as possible. Just see the reading there. It's going to take place for 30 seconds and it should be giving the result in just 4 seconds. Okay, there we go. So it says high heart rate because as you can see it's 125 beats per minute. I totally agree with this. And it says this ECG does not show signs of atrial fibrillation but does show a high heart rate. So you can have this as a secondary device to monitor your heart rate. So next in the chain of things is the most important. If I want to have my heart rate, ECG and all of that in the right rhythm, I should have good sleep. So that brings us to the sleep app. I have set this up in this manner. And to show you this, I will take off my Apple Watch from my wrist. And by the way, this is Apple Band. Be very careful with the Apple Watch. Look at that, a slight animation. A blue light around the corners. Okay, so as you can see, the bedtime is 11:30 p.m. So I go to bed usually at 11:30, 11:40. So this acts like a reminder for me to go to bed. And I wake up in the morning at 8:30. That is tomorrow. So as you can see, let me just show you this. It shows a graph which is very useful to analyze your sleep stages. Awake, REM sleep, core sleep, and deep sleep. So if you're in core sleep or deep sleep, then that's showing a good sign of your sleep. And it also shows the increase in your sleep if there is some. Previously I had 5 hours and 35 minutes of sleep. Now I have 6 hours, 33 minutes of sleep. This is not a day or two's count. It's an average taken of a week, of 2 particular weeks, and it's calculated that. But if we talk about the recent watches like the Watch 8 Ultra or the Watch 8, they have more features than this. And there is more to come in the future, and there is a rumor about the Apple Watch 9 in September 2023. Hope to see more features on that too. And those features in the current latest Apple Watches are the oxygen levels, temperature, and much more. So that's it for this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do it right away. Give this video a big like and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time in a new tech video.